Okay, everybody, welcome back. Today I'm here in Omnisphere in FL Studio. I'm gonna cook up a little peep sort of guitar melody. No guitar, all in the piano roll and all digital sort of stuff. So I'm gonna search for classic nylon. There we go, classic nylon guitar. So that's nice. What I'm going to do though, I'm going to sound match this. So I'm going to go through these because I feel like this is a bit basic right now. I can do some changing to it if I need to, but I'm going to try and find something a bit more Lil Peep sort of style. I might just go with this, I reckon. Fingerstyle acoustic 6-string A. Now I'm going to create a little chord progression in a minor scale by stamp, minor ninth, and then maybe F minor. See what that's like. F sharp actually. I'm gonna copy it over here, and then all the way up there, and mute that, and then come out here, and then after I've got like the basic idea down, I'll do some sound design. So I'm going to create a little root note progression. I'm liking that. I'm going to create some chords out of this by going 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. That's sounding nice so far. I'm gonna now select these, move them up an octave. Actually, I'll move them up an octave, but I'll also move them over here. That's sounding nice, and I'll get these root notes. Bring them down another octave. Maybe not. So that's good so far. Might do some strumming, just a little bit. Now I'm going to add a little melody, a top sort of melody here. So that's sounding good. I'm going to come back into Omnisphere and add some effects to this. I'm liking how that's sounding now. I'm going to add some EQ, some reverb, bit of delay maybe, outside of Omnisphere, and then I'm going to come in with the not so secret sauce. So I reckon that's sounding alright now. I've added a bit of distortion with this Fruity Blood overdrive. But I'm going to come back into this pattern, and I reckon I'm going to make a couple more chops just to keep the tempo going a bit faster, so that when it comes to hitting that halftime switch, of course, it'll be a bit more effective. What I might do, might grab these root notes. I'm going to hit, hang on, what has happened there? These, I guess. Go to chop. So it's definitely going a lot faster now. I'm gonna render as audio clip, and I'll do some more effects work now. Okay, so there it is, the finished product pretty much. A lot of effects. The whole sort of aesthetic is that it's over-processed though, so that sort of makes sense. So I've got a EQ, cut out the lows and all that, into a halftime, got it on the normal half thing, a little fruity filter, bit of reverb, bit of vinyl to pretty much cut out that reverb, boost low mids, boost highs, get rid of the lows again, bit of sound goodizer, and then cutting out some of the highs there, another reverb, bit of stereo separation in there, and then I've got this automated over here for the first half, and then I've got a glitch with a gator and 2 reverses at the end of each 2 bars, I think, and then another EQ just to fine tune some of these frequencies. Now this isn't strictly Lil Peep sort of guitar, but definitely it does fit the Peep aesthetic. So that being said, make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you later.